I just take you to and Dumpling World. You two will go home at 7 p.m.
Okay.
Why you eating solar system?
I think our mouth is like a black hole. Let's go to the Earth.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you two come back.
I miss you.
Me too.
I miss you too.
I guess our rest of them died.
But how?
When I was fighting with this style people Skibidi toilet, and rest of them died.
Oh.
No, we still alive. It is fake, he said.
What? Okay, they're still coming. I need to more. I don't know who is this.
My name is Well, son.
How you can talk?
I just learned my talk book. Now I am improving the talking.
Oh, we have enemies. We have to fight them. Even you have to fight our enemy too.
Oh,
Oh, it is he.
Hey guys, make sure you're ready to go on armies.
But why?
About few hours they will attack us and attack our Asian country. Next that thing will kill North America and your peoples. And if you all not be ready, then you all have run. Or else we all have died. So safe Asia and your North America. But some peoples will go to the safe place that call South America like hotter than yours. But if you don't, then died. My well son, go to South America before we should them and you.
yes, sir. It is so windy in South America.
I got small.
Just only one.
Brew.
Yeah, let's turn into him.